Welcome back, everyone. So I made my first tomato basil soup. Yeah, I got tired of buying it at a convenience store and paying for almost $5 for a little bit of soup. So I made my own. All the directions and recipe and instructions and whatnot will be in the description below the video. So you're going to start out with some olive oil, half of a large white onion I used. And you're going to put that to saute on low heat till they are translucent. And then we're going to add some garlic. Everything will be in the description, the amounts. And you're going to wait for the garlic to just get fragrant. You don't want to brown the garlic or anything like that. So only maybe a minute or so. Alrighty. So we'll saute that. And now we're going to add the whole peeled plum tomatoes, which is what I used here. 2 cans with the juice and all. Just pour it all in there. Stir, stir, stir. I love to stir. You probably can see that by now by my videos. Some vegetable stock, a tablespoon of sugar, and again, stir, stir, stir. Now, once that comes to a low simmer, you're going to add your spices and the heavy cream. Then you're going to let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. There's the heavy cream. I added chopped basil in a little container I found at the store, and it's not completely dry. It's still a little wet, and that worked out pretty good because I didn't get fresh basil, fresh basil leaves. Salt you're going to do to taste. Black pepper also to taste. And the red pepper flakes, it's half a teaspoon. You can go more if you'd like. If you like a bigger kick, you can go less. Okay, so now we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes or so without the lid. Alrighty. Then once that is done cooking, after we stir again, we're going to use an immersion blender, or you will place it carefully in a blender and stir it in there till all the stuff is mashed. There's no big pieces of anything, no big chunks of tomatoes, no big chunks of onions. You're just going to be left with this beautiful, beautiful creamy soup as you see here. This was freaking amazing. This was the first batch I made, and then a couple of days later I had to make a second batch because my family absolutely loved it. Loved it. I can't believe this. And then I had to go back to the store and buy more tomatoes because I need to make another one this coming weekend. Go figure. I hope you make this freaking delicious soup. Let me know how you like it. Like I said, everything is down below in the description. Then you're going to pour it in a nice bowl, and you definitely have to sprinkle some fresh Parmesan over it and have it with some nice Italian or French bread toasted with butter, and dip it in the soup. Enjoy, and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please do for more recipes, more amazing, delicious recipes. And if you're a subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you.